Hey, Tech Life Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to crop an image into a circle shape in Canva. Before we get started, please give the video a like and subscribe as this really helps me out. So to start with, you need to upload your image by using the Upload tab. So click on that, upload the photo you want to put into a circle shape. So the way to make your photo into a circle shape is to use frames. So in the Elements tab, click on there, scroll down, and you should come across a section that says frames. So I'm going to click on there, and then you can click on the basic shapes and there will be a circle frame. So all you have to do is click on that and it'll be added to your design. You can drag and drop it as big or as small as you want. When you're happy where the circle shape is, we're going to find our photo. So I'm just going to upload any photo. You can do this with videos as well. So I'm going to click on a photo, and to start with, nothing happens. I'll just move it slightly and it'll get added into the circle frame. So that's it for today. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.